In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file and a folder in MATLAB Online. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside MATLAB Online, you want to go to the top right and you want to click on your username, and then you want to click on My Account. This will open up your account here in a separate tab just like this, and then over here on the left, you want to click on MATLAB Drive. Now, alternatively, you could also just go to this link, which is drive.mathworks.com, and then here you can just basically sign in and you'll get access to your MATLAB Drive. Now, whenever you do that, to actually upload a file, you want to click on upload up here, and then you have files and folders. So to upload files, click on files here, select your file by clicking choose file, select it on your computer. I'm just going to select this file over here, which is a Simulink model, and I'm going to click on open, and then I'm going to click on upload over here just like this, and it's being completed, and as you can see, it's going to refresh, and it's now in here inside my MATLAB Drive. So if you want to upload a folder, you can also do that. So click on upload again, go to folder over here, select the folder, and then here you can basically just click on it. I've created a new folder over here just for this tutorial. Just click on upload, and whenever you do that here, as you can see, it's going to say it's going to upload all files from that folder. I'm going to click on upload and then upload again. So that folder was actually empty, so of course it didn't upload it because it's empty as it says over here. But for you, if you have anything in there, you'll be able to go ahead and do it. So for example, if I select something different over here, which has some PDFs in here, there we go. As you can see, it says 2 files. I'm going to click on upload, and there we go. It's going to go ahead and basically upload those files inside my MATLAB Drive. Now, of course, you can see your folder over here, and then your file over here as well, and you can go ahead and open these. So for example, if I go to Simulink over here, I can just go to open, top left, and then it's going to show me my files. I can click on them, click on open, and they're going to open here directly inside my MATLAB Online. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.